In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a hydrostatic, almost any hydrostatic that has the side, like the control and the fender, faster. This will not work for the foot pedal models. So what you're going to want to do is, right here's your linkage. You're going to want to loosen that bolt right there, which is a 1/2 inch. So I'm going to do that real quick. Just enough to be able to move everything, which I already loosened this some, so it'll be easier on video. So you loosen that until it's about finger tight, and then all your linkage moves under here, as you can see if I put the camera in the right spot. Here, let me move that out of the way real quick. Sorry guys, one moment. Okay. So, see that right there? Now all your linkage moves just on that bolt. So originally it would be about right towards the front. You're gonna want to take it and push your lever all the way back as far as it'll go without moving anything else on that bolt. Then you're gonna want to tighten this back up. Now it'll get you about another 4 to 5 mile an hour just by doing that. So you tighten that back up, 1/2 inch, but you will lose some reverse speed by doing this. You'll actually hardly have any reverse. So what I did is originally it would go to about right here. I took the angle grinder and I cut out all the way back here, so then I can actually have reverse speed. Where you can, but if you move that the other way, it'll get you more reverse speed but less forward speed, which seems like you'd want more forward speed. So instead of ungoverning your motor or changing pulleys, because that will make the rear end cavitate, you can just loosen that and you'll get another 3 to 4 mile an hour out of it. But as I said, you will lose a lot of your reverse speed, so cut that out if you want your speed still. So I hope this helped you figure out how to make your hydrostatic mud mower, lawn mower faster. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.